Hello Internet World, welcome to my review of the NeoLIVE R2 Plus. This is a multi-functional video mixer, a really good solution if you do video streaming, perhaps on YouTube or another platform, or indeed if you just produce videos. This is a really useful product. It was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I want to just share this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So let's take a look at the box first of all. You can see here NeoLIVE R2 Plus, really nice picture of the product on the front. It looks amazing. This really entices you into wanting to get into the product and start using it. It's a multifunctional video mixer, complete solution for streaming. We take a look on the side here, you can see some of the main features, including a 5.5-inch display. We've also got USB-C on here that supports video, stream via Ethernet, on-site recording as well, joystick PTZ control, PNG and JPEG loads, that's for like title screens, transition screens. Also got lower third options as well, or feature I should say, and remote control via your browser. So really nice feature set. Now inside the box you obviously get the NeoLIVE R2 Plus itself. We'll take a closer look at that very shortly. We also get a QR code to scan for the user manual and some support information. We get a USB-C to USB-A cable. We also get a power adapter. So it's a barrel type connector on this end with a secure thread on it as well. So you plug this in, screw this down, it stops it from being unplugged unintentionally. And then we've got the 3-pin UK adapter plate on this multi-voltage adapter. Now, if you buy this in another country, you'll get a country specific adapter plate inside the box. So now let's take a closer look at the NeoLIVE R2 Plus. It's a really well built unit. I must say that first of all, the build quality and the solidity of this is really very good indeed. Such good quality materials, really good fit and finish. We've also got this really large screen, and you'll see this in action very shortly. We've also got a slider here for mixing between video inputs. And then we've also got volume, channel A and channel B controls. We've got some audio and stream controls just here, pause and record. We've got some menu controls here, PTZ control and also scene. This is a little joystick, really very cool. We've also got a scale rotary dial here. And then we've got various picture controls here across the front here. They're really nice buttons. They do light up of course. And then we've got the video switching capability here, channels 1 through to 4. Cut and auto for transitions, mode and menu buttons just here as well. So really nicely laid out. If we take a look on the front, we've just got the branding on the front. If we take a look on this side, we've purely just got some ventilation. On this side here, we have got microphone 1, microphone 2. We've also got headphones. We've got a tally input just here. We've also got USB, and then round on the back we have got our 4 HDMI inputs. So this is really important. If you've got multiple cameras, you can input 4 HDMI cameras into here, or just 4 HDMI sources. So one of those could be a computer, for example, or a game console. Then we've also got 2 outputs as well. These can go out to external monitors for monitoring what you're doing. We've got Ethernet, and then we've also got another USB-C just here. And then we've got that input for the power supply on this corner here. Rubberized feet on the bottom, really nice looking unit, and it just works extremely well. So we've now got this plugged in, and it would be impossible for me to cover all of the features in this video, but we'll give you a brief overview. So we've got our source window just here, and then we've got our program window just here. So this is what you're going to be queuing up ready to go live, and then this is what you're going to be actually streaming live in this little window just here. And then we've got our inputs with previews on each one of them. So you'd see HDMI 1 here, HDMI 2 here, 3 and 4. And we can switch between the inputs, and you can see it's switching which one we're going to push to the program live window. We've also got some information down the bottom here, things like the current date and time. We've also got some timers here for how long we've been broadcasting or recording. We've got information about the camera, the frame rate, the bit rate. We've also got a logo which we can load in here. and we've also got a mixing control panel just here, which is telling us what the transition time is going to be, and we can obviously mix from one window to the other using this slider, so we can do gradual fades between scenes. Now we can of course select various modes. I do just want to let you know about the menu system. So when we push menu, we can scroll across using this rotary dial here, which also acts as a button. You can't use this little joystick, which would have been nice if this had become active when we were in the menu system, but in here we can perhaps select input, and then we can choose between our various inputs. We can push the menu button to go back, and then we've got output control, we've got layering control, we've got effects, and again if we push in here we can choose between all these different effects. It is so good. Look at this, we've got full control over our transition effects. Very good indeed. Then we've got some key controls, audio, scenes, we've also got media, we've also got our PTZ camera control and our main system settings as well. It's a really nicely laid out menu system. So what you're going to be using this for, if you don't already know, is for inputting up to 4 HDMI sources and then streaming those out via one output. This is ideal for if you do a lot of video streaming on your favourite platform. It is just a superb piece of kit, really well made and absolutely packed to the brim with features. It's superb in every respect. Great value for money as well, and it will make your presentations and live streams and broadcasts look really professional. This is the NeoLIVE R2 Plus, and I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.